Hello and welcome to Gülkan Çakır's YouTube channel. Today's topic is residence permit in Turkey. Foreigners must obtain a residence permit in case they intend to stay in Turkey longer than the duration of stay specified in their issued visa, the duration of stay specified for visa-exempt entries, or 90 days within a 180-day period. However, foreigners planning to stay shorter than the above stated periods may also apply for a residence permit. Work permit holders, work permit exemption certificate holders, members of the diplomatic and consular missions, family members of diplomatic or consular officers, and officers of intergovernmental organizations that have representative offices in Turkey are not required to apply for a residence permit. A short-term residence permit is granted on the basis of the applicant's purpose of stay. Such permits are granted for a maximum duration of 2 years at a time and can be extended for further periods. Notable grounds for having short-term residence permit include business entrepreneurship, education, internship, scientific research, medical treatment, touristic visits, and real estate ownership. As part of the government's policy to promote the housing sector, residential property owners can obtain short-term residence permit for a period of 1 year at a time and extend the duration for further periods as long as they keep the ownership of their property. The family residence permit is granted to certain family members of those who have right to stay in Turkey. In this regard, the persons who have the right to stay in Turkey are referred to as supporting person by law. Family residence permit can be granted to the spouse of the supporting person, minor child of the supporting person or the spouse, and dependent child of the supporting person or the spouse. Foreigners who have been residing in Turkey legally and uninterruptedly for a minimum of 8 years are eligible to apply for a long-term residence permit. The long-term residence permit is issued for unlimited duration. The long-term residence permit grants foreigners the same right and status as accorded to Turkish citizens, except for certain privileges such as right to vote or seek public office and right to be employed as civil servant. The competent authority for the issuance of residence permits is the General Directorate of Immigration Administration within the Ministry of Interior. Depending on the type of the residence permit, the application file will be lodged at provincial or district directorates. To start the process, applicants first get an appointment from the relevant directorate via the online system. The applicant must be present in Turkey at the time of application. The application should ideally be made within the duration of stay specified in the visa or visa exemption. Applications made within the first 10 days during the overstay period is also permissible.